Hello, this is Stacy Thompson with Wood-Mizer, and this is the new WM4000 sawmill.
When we designed a WM4000, we really set out to build a machine that could be equally effective as the centerpiece of a startup business or easily integrated into a current operation. What we got was a machine that's productivity is so high when you combine the low cost of ownership and lower maintenance needs with efficiency advancements in Wood-Mizer's thin kerf blade technology. Many existing operations are rethinking their entire setup to make the WM4000 the centerpiece of their entire production line.
Today we'll be going over some of the features of the new sawmill, the spacious 5x5 cab, the up-down system of the sawmill with a servo motor, bi-directional turners, floor-mounted clamp, built-in belt trailer at the end, and also the HMI touchscreen controls that are integrated into the cab.
There isn't much the WM4000 can't do. Speaking of cants, the WM4000 is designed for cants and beams, pallet stock, truck mats, railroad ties, timber frame, post and fencing, as well as grade, dimensional, flooring, and reclaimed lumber. So let's go take a look at the Wood-Mizer WM4000.
The WM4000 comes with the most spacious cab that Wood-Mizer offers. It's a 5x5 cab. Come on inside and take a look. As you can see, the 5x5 spacious cab offers a lot of room and comfort for the operator. Some of the things you'll notice, we'll have a heat and air conditioning up top. From the operator seat, the operator has full view. He can see all of his operations with sawing of the log and also anything that may occur downstream. Also, he has easy access to the HMI screen right here for easy program to control cutting. Also, he has two joysticks right here that are proportional control. Also, he has another screen here for his three-way dumps downstream. As you can see, the cab offers a lot of comfort and control for the operator. Let's take a closer look at the WM4000 setworks.
The highlight of the WM4000 operating system is the new touchscreen human machine interface, or HMI. With the HMI, the operator can quickly and easily program and control the entire cutting process. Through the setworks, you can set the log and lumber dimensions, auto cut, laser, start and end of log position, as well as control the horsepower and speed used to get to the start of the cut as well as through the cut. Another new feature to the Wood-Mizer's WM4000 operator controls is the new foot pedal. People love it because you can easily set a cruise control and give your hands a break. It's set it and forget it when you're doing fast dimensional lumber.
When Wood-Mizer designed the WM4000 bed, they actually made the bed with 50% more steel. Fixed position legs for more stability and strength in the bed. Also too, when Wood-Mizer designed the WM4000, they made it with 50% faster hydraulics. Also, those hydraulics are controlled proportionally by the joysticks from the operator inside the cab. Also too, Wood-Mizer offers power taper roller sets. These roller sets are bi-directional. They can move either direction. Can be used for log positioning on the mill. If the loader man does not get the log positioned correctly on the bed, he can use these to move the log forward or backwards to position the log correctly. Also too, after he's sawing, if he's doing cants, he can use these to power the cant off the machine. Next, we'll talk about the bi-directional log turners. These turners can move the log forwards or backwards according to the sawyer's preference for the best opening face. Next, we'll talk about the hydraulic clamp. This clamp is now floor mounted, which means all the strength is mounted and transferred to the floor, not to the tube. It is also bi-directional. It can come up and down, in or out. Last thing we'll talk about is the side supports of the WM4000. The 4000 comes standard with 3 side supports. These are what are up when the log is loaded, clamped, or turned against. These are also controlled by the sawyer inside the cab. This is WM4000 head. The reason we didn't start here, we want to show you all the innovations that were designed into the head to make it a faster, more productive sawmill. First thing we're going to talk about up here is the head bed function mode. You see the lights turn it off and on. This tells the operator what function he's in, bed mode or head mode. Also too, you'll notice that there's a blade air strain tension system up here to put tension on the sawmill blade itself. Also too, you notice that our blade guide arm system right here, roller guide block system. Also, this arm moves in and out for the sawyer to have more control and better accuracy of sawing the log as he's going through the sawing operation. Also too, we have a pressurized lubrication system for the blade. Operator controls that as well, how much fluid goes onto the blade. It keeps the blade slick and clean as he's sawing through the log to give it better and more accurate operation. Another feature you'll see is a board drag back system. This is used to drag back slabs or boards as the sawyer makes his finishing cut. Also too, you notice on the other side there are fingers that hang down. That actually guides the board as he's coming back in reverse. Another feature of the WM4000 is a servo motor for the up-down system. It's actually 50% more faster than the WM3500 sawmill was. What this allows a sawyer to do is have faster and more accurate sets in his sawing operation. This equates to more saw lines per day, more production. Next, we're going to talk about blade changing on WM4000 mill and blade maintenance. This is done at the end of the mill. Changing blade on WM4000 is very easy. For ease of access, we move the head closer to the end of the mill. Basically, you take two knobs here, turn them loose, open the cab doors, hit the air button to release the tension off the blade, you pull the blade off. As you can see, you have easy access to the blade compartment. When you take the blade off, it's very easy to pull the blade off, put the new blade back on, hit your tension gauge, and you're ready to go. Some other things we're going to talk about too is also from the sawyer's operation is checking on your blade guide rollers and your guides. That should be done every blade change. Just make sure that you're achieving the maximum amount of production you can out of the saw blade at the sawing time. Another built-in feature of the WM4000 is the off-feed conveyor. It's used in aid of slab removal, board removal, or cam removal. As a sawyer moves the head back in reverse to do one of those functions, the hydraulic bed conveyor will actually activate. When this operation is done, material goes to an incline conveyor. The incline conveyor will take it to a three-way dump table that will dump material left or right, either going to an edger or to a board to a final form. The built-in conveyor also allowed for material handling to be further down the line. This also lowers the number of people needed in the line for lumber handling. And there you have it, the WM4000, designed for high productivity operations and can be easily integrated into your existing lumber business. Also too, you can get in touch with us for any custom layout designs and show you how to incorporate the other production equipment into your operation to improve your efficiency and overall production per day. Today, the WM4000 truly is the next generation of high-tech sawing.